Today big Sunday, we do some proper cleaning. We started some yesterday. Me I rest today, no time I go cook. Look here. And guys, this is quarantine. We're cleaning up. Cleaning up. Look at this, guys.
We get chop. We have a kilo pussy coming out. Chop it back here.
Alright.
No violence on my camera, guys.
Chop it back.
So guys, them say them spot a rat, right?
Wow, we come on, brother.
No, this is going on my vlog.
That might want cockroach behind you.
See if they don't listen. Not your laughing today.
Make my run up on my brother.
Look at what I must miss that.
Yo.
Oh, yeah, look at rush with that.
Oh, you can listen to the right.
Yeah, for your friend.
One on one, in a corner maybe. Just to know.
One of the killing grabs. Yo, careful.
Yeah, but that's so shaky.
Ready, dog?
But you're not telling a big ugly stem here.
Yo, what this brother? Oh, come in. Come in, man. Oh, yeah, Rafa.
Oh, look at the cockroach fly back at my head. The brown mangoes look like squirrel. Mangoes will bite her. Hey, the boy focus and look for the rat in there. You know I'm the bird them. Look how I miss it.
The man said come. So what if you move? So move and then say come. Where has to come see him come and then?
Why you come, dude?
What you gonna do? You must run out and try to survive.
Answer for your back.
Bumbo club, I'm like, Papa Jesus!
Well, why you want to
Because
You
had to move so pretty.
No, but it was your job to kill him.
Okay, in front of him, chicken in it back.
No, come on, see if you can catch him.
today.
why would I forget that?
The man big brother have to slap him off. You may see no? That type of man have balls, me have seed.
Jump around. Come on, the rake and call me to put it
Now I kill us with that?
Come on, the rake and move, man. Be able to make that rake.
No.
Yeah, the rake.
Man, we have this like that.
That one is pretty though. Yeah, one is
Me never catch him enough.
That one is a different color.
Me never catch him.
I told them to see like
I
that.
always catch it late.
So they want to come to finish well tired.
Come on, man. The machine.
I told them to see now. Chop him, dog.
Chop him, Papa.
Papa, you can do that. Yeah? Come on, drop in the chopper. Drop here. Shake it now. Shake it now. He's not a chopper. Shuffle it, pussy. Come on, chopper, man. Come on, chopper, man. Come on, chopper, man. Hey, do that.
Go, sir.
Go down. Police. People that you want to do, I want to run your fuck.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, that the people.
Mama, I'm going to go to the top. Alright, boy. Alright.
So guys, we forgot to tell us that I'm going to paint this. Somebody already painted over this, I know. My job to finish paint this. So I'm start already. I'm going to right it. I'm going to start vlog this also. So I'm going to show you back in 3, 2.
Alright guys, so Abby,
Finally!
I work.
Finish!
Cut it up Abby and go and paint. How it feel to be an actual painter now?
A long time I paint.
Which part of you paint?
From my yard, there man, me I
So
paint.
we can't drink about this though. Back to work, you know, cause the journey don't need to know watch ya. Work still go on, look there. Or tomorrow I think,
But
but
I don't need today.
we'll see a final product. I don't know when.
Every day I know I work when I'm exhausted.
No, we can't work tomorrow because school start back tomorrow for me, so I'm busy.
Alright guys, so good girl finally finished the bed. Zaza. Zaza, the party.